Hey everyone! If you've recently changed your name due to marriage, divorce, or any legal reason, and you're a Bank of America customer, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down how to update your name with Bank of America in 2025. It's a straightforward process that ensures your accounts reflect your current identity, helping you avoid any hassles with transactions or security. Let's dive in. First, gather the essentials. You'll need official documents like a driver's license, passport, or social security card showing your new name, plus proof of the name change, such as a marriage certificate or court order. This step is crucial to verify everything smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Bank of America online account. Head to the official website, enter your credentials, and make sure you're on a secure connection. If you don't have online access yet, download the Bank of America app or set it up quickly. It's free and easy. Once logged in, go to the Profile or Settings section. Look for Personal Information and find the option to edit your name. Enter your new name exactly as it appears on your ID to prevent any errors. Take a moment to review it before saving. After submitting the change, Bank of America might ask for verification. This could involve uploading your documents online or receiving a confirmation email. Keep an eye on your inbox and follow any prompts to complete the process. If you run into issues online, don't stress. Visit a local Bank of America branch. A teller or representative can help in person, and they'll guide you through verifying your documents on the spot. It's a great option if you prefer face-to-face assistance. Finally, after your name is updated, double-check your account details and monitor for any discrepancies. Remember, keeping your information current is key for security and smooth banking. There you have it. Changing your name with Bank of America in 2025 is simple and quick. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. Thanks for watching, and if you have questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.